welcome to another YouTube video. Today we are doing another get ready with me video. I have on, well, some Victorian Deathrock stuff, clearly. I'm going to be going to a photo shoot, so people really seem to enjoy my first get ready with me video, and yeah, so again, this involves seeing my naked face on camera, but you've seen it once before, so it shouldn't be shocking. Yeah, so from nothing to everything, from bland androgynous boy face to super glamorous makeup face. I don't know. Anyways, here we go. Okay, so here we are. This is the outfit that I'm going to wear for today's photo shoot. Again, I have a flashlight because it's fucking dark in my room. I'm sorry. Anyways, we have a beautiful lace and black velvet skirt here with little rose. I don't know if you can see those. Little rose appliques that are gorgeous. There is a chain belt here that I made / upcycled from a studded belt I found at the thrift store and then turned it into this with some cool chains I bought at the hardware store. There is a velvet corset. There is a chain harness, a giant spiked collar. That's my flashlight. 2 odd fishnet gloves, a velvet tank top here, little tiny sunglasses, a double nose chain, 1 fishnet shirt which is actually intact, and another fishnet shirt which is not intact in any way, which I cut full of holes and added a lot of safety pins to. So there you go. That is the entire ensemble. See if I can get the whole thing in. I don't know. And yeah, anyways, let's put it on and see what it looks like. All right, so here I am doing my makeup. This is my foundation, which I always start with. It is MAC Studio Fix pressed powder foundation. I don't usually actually wear this much foundation at all, but I am going to a photo shoot, so I put a lot more on my face than usual. This is 24-Hour Shadow Insurance by Too Faced. It is awesome, and if you're going to be wearing loose eyeshadows, or any eyeshadow for that matter, it's actually really, really helpful to keep it bold and bright and in place, and I absolutely love it. I'm looking for here, this is a Gosh eye primer because I'm going to be using loose eyeshadow that's a bitch to wear and bleeds on my face, so this is going to help it stay. Unfortunately, Gosh is not available in Canada anymore, so I can't get it ever again. This is loose eyeshadow powder by Sugarpill called Lumi. The color is sort of a green, blue, icy, opalescent awesomeness, but it is a horrible, horrible bitch to wear. You can actually see how much it's bleeding down my face and making me look like weird glitter Marilyn Manson, which is not bad. It's not bad. It's just not the look that I'm going for the photo shoot, so I'm going to have to clean that up. This is an eyeshadow of mine, which is almost empty. It's called Print by MAC. It is sort of a dark, dark charcoal gray. It's awesome if you don't want like the harshness of like black, but you still want it really dark. I actually really like Print. I use it quite a lot in my makeup. And I'm putting my makeup on in my usual style. I just do it in the corners and then, oh watch, here I'm doing it in the corner right now, and then do the line. I do my line a little bit above my crease to make my eyes look slightly bigger than they are, and then just wing it out to the side, use the same brush to go underneath the eye, and do the whole smudgy look under there. I just use 2 brushes to do all of my eye makeup, which is amazing. I use one for light colors, one for dark colors, and now I'm blending. And this goes on for a while because like the key to really good makeup is you gotta blend and 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 blend some more. And when you think you've done blending, you're not. You have to keep blending because like if you don't, it just looks like you fucking smashed your face into like a pile of makeup on the table and like hope for the best. It looks really, really awful. So keep on blending until you've blended so much that your fingers feel like they're going to fall off. Then you might be done. So this I'm putting just on the edges of the top. It is an old Urban Decay color that doesn't exist anymore. I don't know what the color is called, but it looks navy blue in the pot, and when you put it on your face, it looks purple. I don't know how they accomplish that, but they do. So for me, it's just like adding a little bit of purple highlight to the top of the makeup and blending it out on the edges. I don't even think you can see it on camera that it's like a little bit purpley, but like it did read in person and it did read in photos, so like I'm fine with it. So blending that out some more, and then the other side. Oh, you can see it a little bit there. It is kind of purpley, a little bit of a purpley hue on the top. And then I'm about to get, I think, in a minute. There it is. It only flashed by quickly, but this is a peachy, pinky, natural colored kind of glitter highlight that I'm just putting under my eyebrows. It's by a company called Faces, which I'm pretty sure doesn't exist anymore. And here I am doing my eyeliner. This is Bourjois 24-Hour Black Club Liner, I think it's called. I'm going to put all the makeup below for you guys. I'm sorry, because I see it every day, but be damned if I can remember their actual names most of the time. So this is a liquid liner, which I like better. Some people tell me that liquid liner is the devil, but I actually really, really like it because it's wears better for me than pencil does, and it's a lot more like sharp looking. And my eyes usually water in the corners, but I am being brave and bold today and doing the Deathrock corners and just praying to God that my eyes don't water while we're doing photos outside. Giving my eyeliner wings that I always do there. And doing the other corner. Have you guys ever tried to match up doing eyeliner like that in the corners of your eyes? It's horrible. I don't think I've ever gotten it even, not once in my whole life. But as long as it's, you know, even enough, then I kind of just let it go and hope for the best. And this is eyebrow gel, just to keep my eyebrows in place, because at this point in time I still have natural eyebrows, and when you're outside, you know, you don't want them blowing all over your face and looking like Uncle Chichimus. And then this is just a drugstore mascara. It's not exciting. I'm not actually fussy about the kind of mascara that I wear because I always wear false eyelashes, so it doesn't really matter. This is just me putting contour on my face. This is Onyx Ice by Jeffree Star. I also wear his highlight, same thing. It's Crystal Ball by Jeffree Star, which I find looks really, really nice on the cheekbones. So I'm going to put my eyelashes on here. These are 101s, and I'm using Duo Clear Eyelash Glue. I actually have bigger eyelashes. I know these look big, but they're actually not that big. I actually do have 301s as well, but last time I wore 301s with these particular photographers, they actually said they had trouble getting light in my eyes because the eyelashes were so big, and they couldn't make my eyes look in photos the way they wanted to because they were too dark, so they asked me to wear smaller eyelashes this time, and so I am. This is a color of lipstick called Abused by Jeffree Star. It is fabulous. It's kind of like a cross between like black, purple, and navy blue, and I feel like it goes with almost everything. Like when you want your lips to still be dark, but you don't want to be wearing like black lipstick, it's a fantastic color. It's one of my like go-to colors if I ever can't figure out, you know, what color goes with my eye makeup. That color does, because it goes with everything. So here I'm putting my eyelashes on with tweezers. I know they look big, like I said, but they are not by far the biggest eyelashes that I own. I also am one of those weird people that feel like makeup looks incomplete if you're not wearing eyelashes for some reason. Like it kind of looks like shit right up until the last moment when you put your eyelashes on. If you're like, oh my god, there, it looks great, finally. So here I am putting up my Deathrock. If you want to know how to do this in detail, I actually made a separate video. I think it's just called Deathrock Tutorial. But it basically involves a teasing brush, a shitload of hairspray, and a blow dryer, and repeat until you're done. And that's all there is to it. So now you get to listen to me sing my own interlude music until the next part of the video. Do 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 do. Look at me go. I'm putting up my Deathrock. I'm using a shitload of hairspray. That's awesome. I need to pat it with my hands and pull on it all the time until it's done. But it's not done yet. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna use the blow dryer and the hairspray and keep on doing it until it's really stiff. You don't even know it needs to be so stiff because I am going outside and it's gonna be windy and I don't want to fall down. Oh no I don't. Oh no I don't. Do 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 do. And the Deathrock is done. La 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 la. It's not done yet. Why aren't you done yet? Hurry up, you dumb bitch. Oh my god! There, now it's done. Alright, so here is the complete outfit. This is it, all the layers of all the things that I wore. I had to put on like corsets and fishnets and harnesses and belts and all sorts of things. But it was totally worth it, and Brody was so sweet, and he filmed this for me. And it turns out the photographers do not know how hard it is to wear a corset like that, because they made me do all sorts of crazy poses that were like super uncomfortable, but I looked fantastic. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. That's how I go from my pajamas to all of this crazy layered shit that I'm wearing right now. And believe me, it was way too early when I started this video. It was like 5:30 in the morning because I had to be at my photo shoot for like 8, so. And it's an hour away, I should mention. Anyways, we do what we gotta do for these things. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. If you want to follow me on social media, I'm on Instagram under Madame Absinthe. I'm on Twitter for the same reasons. Instagram is mostly where I post my outfits. Yes, you can see a little bit of it. Well, you saw it all before, so it's all good. And Twitter is sort of where I post pictures of my face / things in progress / crazy shit that happens to me. So if you want to follow me, that's where to do it. Please like, please subscribe, and hopefully I will be able to make more Get Ready With Me videos for you shortly.